Meet Tyler, a software developer at Contoso. Tyler is developing a to-do web application that lets users create and manage to-do lists. Tyler is done with the development part. He created a React web app with C# API and Cosmos DB for NoSQL on Azure, and I deployed it to Azure App Service. He is done with the functional testing part as well, and now he wants to validate the performance and reliability. Tyler is not an expert in performance testing and has very little time to get it done before the upcoming release. He is looking for a solution that can help him create a load test script, run the load test, and analyze the results. He came to know about the VS Code extension for Azure load testing and wants to give it a try. Let's see how he goes about it. Tyler installs a VS Code extension for Azure load testing. He has an HTTP file with the API request details. He asks GitHub Copilot in agent mode to create a load test script using the HTTP file as a reference. Copilot goes about creating a realistic locus test script that simulates a user flow of creating and managing lists in to-do applications. It also creates the associated config files. Now Tyler asks Copilot to help him with running this at scale on Azure load testing. Copilot asks for a few inputs on the load testing resource and test configuration and kicks off the load test run on Azure load testing. Tyler can now go to Azure portal and view the live metrics. Once the test run is completed, Tyler asks Copilot to fetch the actionable insights generated. Copilot fetches the insights and shows a summary of performance along with potential bottlenecks and recommendations on how to fix the issues. Tyler now asks Copilot to implement the recommendations. Copilot finds the relevant bicep files and updates them to implement the auto-scaling recommendations. Tyler can now deploy these changes and ask Copilot to run a load test and check if the performance has improved. With GitHub Copilot and the VS Code extension for Azure load testing, Tyler was able to quickly create a load test script, run the load test, identify bottlenecks, and implement some fixes. Load testing made easy. Try Azure App Testing today.